Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna showing you the Lego Star Wars set and its name is Lego Rebel Fleet Trooper versus Imperial Starfighter. If you don't know what an Imperial Starfighter is, then I will be telling you in this video. But before we get into it, be sure to like and subscribe for 100 years of good luck. But you'll need to watch the whole video for it though. So let's get into it. First, I'm gonna be telling you why the dark side attacked this one little fleet trooper. They attacked the fleet trooper because he was going to send all all the information about the Death Star to the rebel fleet, each ship. So they can give it to the master rebels and they can take down the dark side's plan. But Darth Vader wouldn't let that happen this easy. That's why he sent in his Imperial Starfighter. And now I'm gonna be telling you how to make it. This one is fairly simple. You need one small and one big bowl block, one windmill stick, and hologram, and some and a grayish skin color tan or skin color block, and dark skin color or slant blocks to place here, or then hologram on top, then the 4 by 2 block on top, and then we'll need the skin color base, 2 stone bricks, and one stone brick also, one wide 2 by 2 block, one by 1 block, a control system block, a one circular 2 by 2 block, two 2 by 2 brown blocks, and two flat wooden color blocks. That is all you will need to make this. And he also has a laser rifle which is fairly powerful against cars and more vehicles. Now let me show you the giant starfighter. Basically, what a starfighter is this thing. It has panels on the sides which help it reduce gravity and fly up in the air, and in the back it has storage where there's a little laser pistol, and there's the pilot inside. The drivers of the what do you call it? Starfighters are called the pilots, and they are fairly good at combat, and they have laser guns which can fire an extreme amount of lasers. Now let me tell you the story. The rebel fleet, it was on Tatooine, and he needed to send the info of the Death Star to the rebels. But Darth Vader thought that my planet destroying laser would be destroyed. I need to stop him from sending it. So he sent a giant starfighter, and then this guy has 2 faces. He got his rifle and started shooting at the starfighter, and then the starfighter shooted back. He hit himself against the box, and then the starfighter broke the box, and he ran and up and climbed onto the starfighter when it was down. However, his helmet fell over, so he didn't have much time because in Tatooine it was really hot, and his helmet protected him from its 7 suns. So he stomped it to the ground and lasered it and shoot a laser at it, and it blew into pieces. He got his helmet and put it on, and then the pilot's door had opened. He jumped out and got his pistol and started rapidly shooting at the fleet trooper because he got mad that his favorite number of starfighter had broke. He liked it much than anything else in the world. So he started fighting as fast as he could. But one shot from the fleet trooper's rifle took him out. Then he said, "Give me give me the address of where Darth Vader's base is on Tatooine, and I will free you." And then he said, "It's on the western part at 400 kilometers west from this place," he said. And then the rebel fleet trooper said, "I will free you from life." Pew! He shot him right onto the flaming vehicle. And that is gonna be it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed, and here is your good luck for 100 years. Yes, go ahead, take it, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.